Marcus Aurelius was the loneliest person ever to live during his reign. He lost his wife and children, facing loneliness head-on. But in the face of solitude, he discovered not despair, but opportunity. For Marcus, loneliness wasn't about the absence of others, but about his relationship with himself. He embraced the idea that true peace comes from within. People seek solitude for themselves, whether it's in the countryside, by the seaside, or in the mountains. As Aurelius said, nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul. The first step to overcoming loneliness, as Marcus taught, is realizing that our perception shapes our reality. To perceive loneliness as an enemy is to make it an enemy. But if we see it as a chance for growth, it becomes an invaluable ally. In moments of deepest solitude, Marcus engaged in profound self-dialogue, reflected in his Meditations. Meditations is a work that wasn't just a personal guide, but contained the most effective formula in history for overcoming and properly utilizing loneliness. As he wrote, "Look well into thyself. There is a source of strength which will always spring up if thou wilt always look there." Loneliness is not a trap, but a path that develops your inner strength. So, to view loneliness as something negative is akin to limiting our desire to become better and stronger. It is suppressing our potential for the sake of a social norm that demands constant company. If our goal is self-improvement, we should welcome solitude, seek it out, and return to it again and again when needed. It is in your power to withdraw yourself whenever you desire. Perfect tranquility within consists in the good ordering of the mind. Your own domain, said Aurelius. For him, loneliness was not fate, but a path, and